I saw something that was very interesting around you don't wait for a pullback. And you went through explaining it, but maybe that's a very good sort of segue into explaining a little bit more about your investment strategy. Why don't you wait for a pullback? I thought it's a really good idea. A lot of people wait for like buy the dip. So why don't you like it?
It's not that I'm anti waiting for a pullback. I've kind of learned the hard way this lesson over and over and over again. And that is, if I just really like everything about a company, just get some skin in the game as soon as possible. It is so natural and tempting to say, this stock is up 50% in the last 6 weeks. This stock's at an all-time high. Therefore, I'm going to wait. And if you look back at some of the best performing stocks in stock market history, many of them continually set new highs. And if you think back to, let's say, like 1997 or 1998, that was a great time to buy Amazon, like a phenomenal time to buy Amazon. But if you were always waiting for that dip, you had to wait for a long time. And I have personally seen stocks that I was ready to buy, was able to buy, but I did not buy them because the valuation was too high. I said, I can't buy this great company. Look at the PE ratio. It's 100. And then those companies that I was right about went on to multi-bag from the way too high price. So it's not that I don't buy on pullbacks. I have learned to really de-emphasize valuation. I always look at valuation. Brian doesn't actually, but I always look at valuation, and I still have that value bent to me where I want to buy a great company at a great price. But I've learned the hard way over and over again that if you find a great company, just get some skin in the game immediately and then continually add to that company over time.